Mga higala, kumusta na napunta na ito ang live matagabi kini ato ang panglantaw sa kagabion. Sa dili pa nato sugdan mga igsuon, ato sang gi-shout out kini ato ang mga likers ato ang episode kagabi si Mr. Johnny D. Samonte ato ang Social Studies teacher sa Kalubi Integrated School. Ito ang pastor diha sa Sayog Christian Fellowship, Pastor Yung Munyon Makigangay Jr. Ito ang mathematics teacher, Marilo P. Faustino, Jory Gordionis Tubigon, Ate Maribel Alico Saison, and Verlan Alcacid. Daghang salamat mga sir and ma'am sa inyong pag-like sa ato ang episode kagabi. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Welcome to another episode of Panglantaw sa Kagabion. Tonight, dili ni chika, dili ni drama, dili ni political propaganda. This is reality. What we are seeing after Bagyong Tino, hangtod karon na paghihapon ang Bagyong Tino, especially sa Talisay, Cebu, is breaking, painful, and frustrating. We saw the pictures, we saw the videos, entire homes underwater, cars floating like toys, children crying while holding their wet school bags. Families losing everything in one night. And once again, ang istorya maora gihapon. Baha na pod. But there is something deeper here. Floods are natural. Bagyo are natural. This is the Pacific. We are a typhoon country. But the level of destruction we saw in Talisay is no longer natural disaster. The storm brought rain, yes, but the suffering, the damage, the collapse of homes, daghan ana man-made. For many years we heard promises. We will build flood control. We will improve drainage. We will relocate families. We will dredge the rivers. Every year, billions of pesos are allocated for flood control. Billions. Pero kung tinuod nga adunay epektibo nga proyekto, why did one night of rain destroy a city? The water doesn't lie. Ang baha dili mamatak. If flood control truly existed, Talisay would not be underwater. Some leaders will say, bagyo yan. Wala tayong mahimo. Uy, ayaw mig binuangi. Storms are unstoppable. Yes. Pero preparedness is human responsibility. In countries like Japan, Vietnam, Singapore, storms come, pero dili ingani ang epekto. So na pong ulan sa gawas. They built huge drainage, tunnels underground. They strengthened infrastructure. They planned. Kita diri sa Pilipinas, we rely on luck. We rely on prayer alone. Bahala na si Lord. But God expects wisdom. responsibility, and stewardship. Ang Ginoo dili magician. Proverbs chapter 57 verse 12 says, the prudent see danger and take refuge, but the simple keep going and suffer for it. Meaning, ang tao nga bright nag-anticipate ug nag-anda, ang dili magpabaya ug mag-antos. That is exactly what we are seeing today. Look around Talisay, Cebu. People are walking in knee-deep mud, searching for missing belongings, sleeping a covered corpse, waiting for relief goods. These people are strong. Filipinos always are. But strength should not be the only solution. We need systems. We need planning. We need leaders who act before tragedy, not after. And here is the painful truth. Flood control has become a business. Drainage has become a contract. And disaster have become a yearly prescription. Ngano ba nga kung eleksyon, dali kaayo ang campaign tracks o stage. Pero kung flood control, dugay kaayo ang resulta. Ngano nga kung ribbon cutting, kompleto ang kamera o crew. Pero kung baha, walay makita, walay moatubang. This is not anger. This is accountability. Dili man pod fair nga government ra atong basulon. Let us speak honestly. Some communities throw garbage in rivers. Some build houses along the waterways. Some businesses dump waste illegally. We are all part of the problem. And we must be part of the solution. Pero ang pinakasakit nga kamatuoran mao ni ang ordinaryong tao nga pirmi mabayran sa kapalpakan sa sistema. The poor lose their homes. The children lose their books. The workers lose their livelihood. While the people who were supposed to protect them continue business as usual. Every time disaster comes, we say, we will learn our lesson. Pero pila na katuig ang nilabay. Undoy, Yolanda, Ulysses, Odette, Paeng, and now Tino. Unsa may nausab? Unsa may natukod nga long-term, visible, transparent, and effective solution. Kung tinud-anay nga dunay flood control projects, asa man ang ebidensya? Because the best audit is not paperwork. Ang pinaka-judicial nga audit mao ang baha mismo. You cannot cheat the water. You cannot lie to the river. If the project is real and effective, the city should remain standing. But tonight, Talisay, Cebu is drowning, and the people are paying the price for a failure they did not commit. Still, despite everything, Filipinos remain strong. People help each other. rescue volunteers risk their lives. Neighbors share food, clothes, and shelter. Kita ragyod ang magtinabangay kay kung maghulat patag milagro gikan sa taas, basin mahurot ang kinabuhi. No storm can destroy the Filipino spirit, but storms are not the enemy. Negligence is. We need leaders who listen to engineers, not contractors. We need city plans based on science, not politics. We need money spent on protection, not propaganda. We need leaders who face the people after disasters, not hide behind press statements. And as we rebelled again, let us remember, we cannot stop storms, but we can stop the incompetence. We can stop corruption. We can stop or we can demand real planning. We can demand accountability. Bagyong Tino is not just a storm. It is a warning. Because if nothing changes, there will always be another Tino. And next time, it might not only be houses at stake, but lives. This has been Panglantaw sa Kagabhion, di nagkahayag nagadanaan, bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Open your eyes, open your mind, and let us speak truth, even when truth is uncomfortable. Unsa may gihimo sa mga nangaging mga pamunuan nga karon ni epekto sa atong panahon. Kaya ang tinuod dili dapat tago-tagon. Kaya ang baha dili mo sabot sa pasalig. Ug ang katawhan dili dapat pirmi ang biktima. Kini inyong alagad igsuon ug higala. Jeremias Labaho Tubigon sa makausapang mo ingon nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong nga katilingban ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong suga ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtan-aw ug pagpaminaw ug ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Maayong gabi.